Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm very excited to share with you my new kit for January 2025. It's a collaboration kit that I have designed alongside Nathalie from LineDotArrow. If you've been following myself or Nathalie for a while, you'll know that when we do our collaborations, I design half the kit and Nathalie has her own half of the kit. Both of them are 23 pages, so I've got 23 pages and Nathalie has 23 pages as well. I will have links to our Etsy down below if you wish to go and purchase. It's currently 30% off for the month of January. And if that wasn't enough pages to play around with, throughout the month of January, as usual, there'll be weekly challenges and freebies. So there'll be lots of opportunities to create, whether you do that with the paid kit or with the freebies. And then there's also a giveaway at the end of the month for anybody that has been participating, again, either with the main kits or the freebies. So lots of reasons to enjoy January and play around with some beautiful papers. There'll be more details about the challenges coming tomorrow with the first video and the first lot of freebies. But today I just wanted to show you the main kit. So this is, again, my half of the kit. I will have a link down below for the video for Nathalie's half of the kit if you want to go and check that one out as well. So it's called Elegant Burgundy. This was such a delight to put together. This is actually a tool kit, so I will have to kind of flip it sideways. So it goes this way round, and I might have to kind of move it along the screen a little bit just so you can see the entire page. But this is one of the pages. So as I said, it's a nice tool kit. I've done a toolkit before and a tool journal before, and I really love them. So yeah, we both decided that it would be fun to do another one. So that's the first page. But lots of those rich, gorgeous burgundy colours. Some of them just subtle backgrounds, some of them a bit more collaged and detailed. So this one's a little bit more plainer, so lots of areas for journaling if you are somebody that enjoys doing that. If you are not somebody that journals, you can obviously cover up the blank spaces either with pockets, tucks and other pieces of ephemera. And there is a bit of a mix of pages, so some of them are ledger, some of them are this kind of grid paper, graph paper, but all kind of with a subtle decoration to them. But I really love these florals actually. Like I said, this was lovely to design. And some of the background pages are more busier than others because obviously when you're decorating things like the journal cover, you want sometimes a bit more of a decorated page. So there are a few of those as well. We've got some more sort of collage style pages. And that one's more of a plain one that has a very subtle graph paper on it with a little bit of grunginess as well. And another one that's a bit more sort of a collage page. I think there's another page there. This one's probably my favourite. I absolutely love this one. It just looks like folded wallpaper. Really love this one. And another page, really beautiful lady. And that's all the journaling pages. Then we move on to the ephemera pages. So we've got 2 postcards on this one. I've got some faux stamps and then just some bits that can be cut out and used to embellish your journal. Okay, I then have these 2 ladies that again can be cut out and used to decorate. We've got some vintage buttons, a little flower and a beautiful golden frame. I've then got 2 pages of tags. I'll turn the page this way just so you can kind of see them all. So all using different elements from the kits. So I've got 2 pages of those. And then, of course, would not be a kit without larger tags. I do like having larger tags. And then I created different pockets. So these larger ones fit the bigger tags, and then these fit the standard size tags. And again, because there's 2 pages or 3 pages actually of tags, I've done 2 pages of pockets, just so you've got plenty of spaces to tuck things. I then did an envelope using that gorgeous sort of wallpaper background. Really love that wallpaper. And then up the top, this is actually a camera film strip that I've got in my stash, so I just scanned it in. I've added a very faint sort of floral design in the background, and then you've got these images of the ladies, because I thought it'd be quite cute if you kind of cut them up and you're kind of using them in the journal. We then have some journaling cards. So this is one where you fold it over, so you've got the lines on one side, then obviously you've got the decoration on the other. You've got a tag, a few tabs, and then another journaling card here with that beautiful lady in. We then have another envelope. So this is like a coin style envelope, and then a few tickets down at the bottom of that page. And the very last page is a library card and pockets. Obviously you've got your library card, here's your pocket, that bit folds up, so obviously you won't see this bit, and then that piece will fit on the front of the pocket just to help kind of decorate that. So that's the final page. So as I said, there are 23 pages altogether. This is available in the Etsy shops now. Both links will be down below. And as I said, 30% off at the moment for the month of January. So definitely go and take advantage of that sale. As I said, the first challenge starts tomorrow, so make sure that you tune in for that. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure that you click that subscribe button and then hit the bell, and then you'll be notified when the new videos come out. It's going to be really exciting because not only are the challenges happening in my Facebook group and Nathalie's LineDotArrow, there are 5 other Facebook groups that are hosting these challenges. So if you kind of post in each of them, you have more chances of winning because there will be giveaways in each Facebook group. So definitely a good reason to participate, even if you are just posting the same thing in each group. Well, that's all from me for today. I'm really excited about this collaboration and this kit. I hope that you are too. Don't forget to go and check out Nathalie's half of the kit, because you're definitely going to want to see her beautiful papers as well. And I can't wait to see your creations in the group. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.